Good morning, my dear students. From this video, we are discussing the third important give reason questions. South Indian rivers are east flowing. That is question. Why all South Indian rivers are flowing towards east direction? That is question. You know very well what are the rivers are flows in South India. The river is called as South Indian rivers or peninsular rivers. So here we come to the answer. The most of southern rivers or South Indian rivers flows towards east direction, as they originate from the plateau regions of west. You know, all South Indian rivers, the flow originate from the source of water of the river is called the origin places. Here all the South Indian rivers originate from the west, especially in the plateau regions or mountain regions. So here the all South Indian rivers are formed from the Western Ghats. Western Ghats lies in the west edge of peninsular India. So here especially the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Tenpennai and Palare and some other rivers are flowing towards the east direction due to the natural cycle of flow of water. Water has some natural cycles. What is the nature of cycle of water? Waters are flows from the high gradient to low gradient. High altitude to low altitude. That is the nature of the water. So here, due to the natural cycle of flow of water, the waters flow from the high altitude to low altitude. So that is the answer for this question. The first point is most of South Indian rivers are flows towards the east direction because they originate from the plateau regions or mountain regions in the west. That's the main reason. And second, due to the natural cycle of flow of water, the water flows a high altitude to low altitude. They have answered for the first question. We come to the second, the finally fourth question. West flowing rivers do not form delta. The west flowing rivers do not form deltas. Especially in South India, we have four major rivers that are called as west flowing rivers. Especially Narmada, River Tapti, River Maghi and River Sabarmati. In these four rivers are called as west flowing rivers. In the rivers are formed in the central India highland and it flows towards west direction due to the gradient. So here the most of rivers are flowing west from the Western Ghats do not form deltas. And before going to this discussing topic, what is delta? We should know what is delta. You know, the river has three orders. The first order, second order, and finally third order or lower order. It is look like a triangle. It is look like a triangle shape. It look like a triangle because of the finally the lower course rivers. It form triangle shaped land form. So the triangle called in Greek deltas. This is delta shape. And otherwise, the definition of delta. The delta is a flat land. Flat land filled with alluvial deposit on the river mouth is called what? Deltas. It's called deltas. You know here flat land filled with the alluvial deposit on the river courses and river mouth. You know that as a river has three courses. The first order course, first order course, middle order course and lower courses. and the waters are finally, I mean, the water in the third order courses are the water traveling slowly and it deposits all the silt on the river bed. Here the flat land are filled with alluvial deposit. Alluvial soils are very famous soil because of it is ideal soil for producing the various crops like sugar, paddy and some other crops also. In this deposits are found on the river of mouth region, especially in Tamil Nadu, Thanjavur, Tiruvallur, Trichy, Nagapattinam and Kadalur. In these regions, these districts are called as deltoic districts because here the rich alluvial deposits are found along the river and other places. So the most of the rivers are flowing west from the western Ghats do not form deltas. Because of the high gradient, because of all the western rivers are formed from the high gradient. I mean that high slope. I mean the slopes are divided into two major types. One is a steep slope and gentle slopes. So here the rivers are formed from the steep slope, I mean high gradient, and they do not have travel much distance. The most of the western flowing rivers is not a longer, it's a very shorter rivers, just only a few kilometers, like 100 kilometers or maybe 120 kilometers only travels. So they travel much distances to drain into sea, and the rivers originate from the high gradient, and not only that, and the rivers do not travel the much distance and is come suddenly go to drained into the sea. That's the main reasons, and as a result, they don't carry much sediment. I mean the rivers do not carry the much sediments because of the rapid flow of water. And suddenly it's dumping their water into the ocean or sea. So result of they do not carry the much sediment. So the east flowing rivers do not form deltas. Thank you.